Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use the Wiser app. First, open the Wiser app on your mobile device. At the top right corner, you'll see your current streak, which shows how many days in a row you've used the app. On the main homepage, you'll find different sections like free books and top trending in your region. Scroll down to explore even more options and featured content. Now tap on the search icon where you can type and look for any book or topic you're interested in. Next, go to the library section. This is where all your saved or opened books will appear. Then, go to the flashcards tab to review key points and study notes related to different books. After that, open the profile section. Here you can view your daily goal, which helps track your reading progress. Now go back and tap on any book listed under the free books section. You can choose to play the audio version or simply read the book by tapping on read. Finally, return to the homepage and tap on the free gifts icon at the top right corner. Here, you'll find any available gifts or rewards waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.